Good morning, it is Miranda here with Doing Life, and today for Vlogmas Day 12, I have a new box that I haven't tried yet, and I'm going to show you what it is. It's Wantable. So this is what it comes with. I've already taken the thing off. I've already cut it. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. I have not, I don't really know a whole lot about it. I don't know if it's fairly new, but I do know that I paid a $20 styling fee, but I got $7.50 back on that $20 styling fee because I went through Ebates. So if you're not using Ebates, get you some money back on your Christmas shopping, okay? Alrighty, and I'll leave a link down below for Wantable in case you want to try it for yourself, and maybe I'll put my Ebates link too. Alrighty, so you get this packet here, and it says, Living Life More Beautifully. And it doesn't cost anything to have it shipped to you or returned. I probably just, yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's what that is, and it comes USPS. And then we have, let's see, your closet is going to thank you. This is the invoice, so I'll wait just a second on that one. How are y'all doing this morning? I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you saw my Vlogmas Day 11, I was having a rough night, okay? I got a little bit of sleep, so maybe I'm in a better mood. I don't know. Is this a poster? It's all about communication. I think it's just telling you what to do for your style edits. And then one more thing, it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. I know, I'm not a singer, sorry, but wishing you a very merry holiday season full of the good stuff. Family, friends, ridiculously good food, laughter that brings you to tears, plenty of time to kick back, relax. Happy holidays from all of us at Wantable. Cute. Alrighty, so some of these things I did request, I guess. So it was kind of like fashion, where they sent me a bunch of stuff and I could say whether I wanted them to send that item or not. And then if I turned anything down, then they replaced it. But I didn't get to pick what they replaced it with. They just sent something else. Alrighty, so we have a beanie, the little pom-pom up here, really cute. I love beanies. I don't know why. This one feels a little small, but we'll see. Let's just put this on. Why not? I mean, I already have a bun, so it's probably gonna look ridiculous, but you know. All right, so there's my beanie. What do you think? I love the pom-pom. I just love them. I like that they're tight over, you know, my ears so they don't, you know, come up. And they're just warm and they're cute. And I don't know. So I have bought a couple this season. All right. It's by Tryon Taylor. And it is $32. And it's called the... Alrighty. We have a sweatshirt like cardigan, and it ties there in the front. I hope y'all can see really good because this thing is like big, but it's a sweatshirt material. It is by Z Supply, and I don't know how much that is. It doesn't have another tag on it. All right, we'll look at that in a minute. Alrighty. This one is a shirt. It's a dolman sleeve by Wantable brand. And do you see back there? It is super thin. So definitely will be wearing a tank under that. Yep, but it feels really nice. Hopefully not cheaply made. I don't know. Is the Wantable brand, do you like, if you have bought other things from Wantable and it's the Wantable brand, let me know how it holds up in the comments, okay? Then this is something that was, I requested that they send, and it is a Z Supply camo top. And it's got that rolled pocket there. So that's cute. The fabrics are all really nice in these items, so that's good. We have another pair of jeans. All right, they've got some distressing there on the leg and on there, right here. Let's see, these are Liverpool, size 12, 31s. I can already tell you the 31 is probably gonna be way too long. Let's see, what kind of jeans are they? Where is the tag? Okay, these are Peyton Slim Boyfriend in Montauk Distressed Wash, $79. So they are a boyfriend cut. Boyfriend jean. I don't have any boyfriend jeans. And then one more item. So you see down in there, I have a tote. And this is something that I also requested that they go ahead and send me. I love the gray color. That's a great color. And look at these. I can go shopping and clank the whole day. Those are cute. Okay, so it has a snap here. Now my husband, he has this thing about me having purses that don't zip, because one time at a Walmart, while I was ordering a birthday cake, actually I think I was picking the birthday cake up, I got my checkbook stolen. So that was years ago. And it has this pouch inside it. The only thing I can see already that will keep me from getting this probably is it has no pockets inside. So no pockets, that's stinky. But it does have this big pouch. So let's see, this is Love CZ Faulkner, I don't know. It's a Wantable brand, I think. It says it's the Carter tote in gray. And it is $72. I got that one from Stitch Fix, a yellow one. Actually, I think I did not film that video. That video came, or that box came the day that I left for vacation. So I didn't film it. I just took the stuff and ran. All right, so there's that. Alrighty, let's do a quick try on, and I'll be right back. All right, the first thing is the boyfriend jeans. So I can already tell you that I won't be keeping these jeans. They are the biggest pair of 12s I've ever had. So far, I have had zero luck with Liverpool jeans, but they're huge in the legs. They do have some distressing. They're way too long. And yeah, they're just huge on me. So I have all this room back here, and I don't know. I don't plan on growing into these, so these are a hard no. Alrighty, let me go get the next outfit. I'll be right back. Next three items that I put on are this sweatshirt, cardigan thing, and the Vigosh jeans, skinny jeans, and the Z Supply camo shirt. So this is the sweatshirt cardigan. I feel like it's a little big, but it is super, it is warm. Like, I am kind of hot right now. So, what do y'all think of this? Do you like this? Have you gotten one of these in your Wantable box? I like that it has a hood. So, that's nice. I'll tell you, in my office, I will be warm. Yeah, I That's for sure. So what do y'all think of this? Do you like it? I have a big booty. So sometimes I think cardigans don't look that great on me. So I don't know if it's a little big. I don't know that I'd be able to wear it once I don't know. All right, let me know what you think of this sweatshirt material cardigan. But it is really warm. I almost kind of think it's bathrobe-ish. Maybe that's just me. Let me know. All right, so stripping down for you without stripping. Okay, I know, that probably was not very nice. I shouldn't have done that. All right, throw that over there. Next is the camo Z Supply shirt. I feel like this is a little big. I could go down to a medium, but if I wore it with leggings, you know, it would be okay. It's got this rolled pocket here. All right, so this is the camo Z Supply shirt, and then I have on the VLOGMAS jeans. So these fit really nice. Like I said, they're nice in the hiney hoop there. They are a little long, but that's okay. You know, I'll get over it if I have to. I can always roll them up, but they fit really good. So way better than those Liverpool jeans that I just got. Them things are terrible. I am not a happy camper with those. All right, but they fit good. All right, the next item that I'm gonna throw on for you is the black dolman sleeve top by Wantable. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is the dolman sleeve top. I put on my scarf from Bad Habit Boutique. I like it, but it is really thin, like extremely thin. I'm hoping that you won't be able to see through it because it is so thin, and I really didn't want to walk all the way upstairs to find a tank. All right, so what do you think of the dolman sleeve top? It is thin, but the material is really nice. I think it fits good. It fits the best really out of anything that I've put on. And then we can put on this tote bag with it. All right. I like the feel of the tote bag. It is really nice. Like, it's a nice leather. I don't like that it doesn't have pockets though. So, just, I don't know. I like, you know, it does have the pouch. I probably wouldn't lose as much stuff. That's a lie. If you're a woman and you carry a big purse, you know that that's a big lie. I will still lose stuff. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna hop right into the review. All right, the invoice. My account note says that I put Nebraska has cold, windy winters, so please try to keep that in mind when during the winter months. My order note said that I'm looking for plaid shirts and matching vests, because I always am, cardigans, and petite ankle skinny jeans. All right, my stylist note says, hi Miranda, welcome to your first style edit. We are excited to help you build a fresh wardrobe that fits your unique preferences. We unfortunately do not have petite sizing, so that's kind of a bummer. But I did send you some jeans that I think will work for you. Wear the Peyton Slim boyfriend jean with the pocket tee. I will not be wearing the slim boyfriend jeans because they were way too big. The Chicago palm beanie that you requested, and the Loft fleeced coat again. So the sweatshirt thing that I put on, the oatmeal colored one, is called A Coat Again. What do we think of A Coat Again? Have you received A Coat Again in your box? I don't know. I'm gonna go back and watch the review though and see. For a cozy, casual, chic outfit that's perfect for the winter days ahead. Take the next 5 days to choose which items you love, send back the rest, keep for 5 or more pieces, and receive 20% off your entire purchase. I look forward to hearing your feedback about the styles and sizing. Your stylist, Erica. And something that I really like about this invoice is it has the pictures here with, you know, the prices and everything. So you're not having to search for what you're trying to read. So that's good. So the Loft Fleece Coat Again and Sandshell, they're calling it. Size large, $86. Woo! I don't know about that. That's a lot. The Pocket Tee Camo by Z Supply, $38. The Peyton Slim Boyfriend Jeans, $79. We already know I'm not keeping those. The VLOGMAS Skinny Jeans, $68. The Elbow V-neck Dolman Sleeve Top in black, the one I have on now, is $52. And then the Carter Tote is $72. And the beanie is $32. So the total price of the box, $427, and $85.40 discount if I buy 5 items. The styling fee taken off, which was $20, makes my total $321.60. So let's see. I don't think I have 5 items. Ooh, I knew that was coming. Sorry, guys. I might keep the coat again if I go back and see what it looks like, but maybe not. The camo tee, the skinny jeans, the VLOGMAS ones, and the Dolman sleeve top. The only thing about the Dolman sleeve top, I'm going to put it on with maybe a cardigan and see if, or a vest, maybe that white vest. If you've seen my, what is that thing called? TJ Maxx. My TJ Maxx haul, I got a Michael Kors vest for like, I think it was either $32 or $37. It was between like $30 and $40. So I might see about that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, of course. Y'all never steer me wrong. What I should keep and what I should send back. So I don't know. Would that be 5 items? 1, 2, 3. That's only 4 items. Unless I keep the beanie too. I don't know. I always got to do the numbers. So we'll see. But I think for my first Wantable box, I think it was a fine box. And I'll be ordering another one. I do always think that that first box is always, even maybe the second or third box, like it takes a little bit to get in your style groove with a new stylist. So anyways, but we'll see. All right, that is Vlogmas day number 12, and I will see you tomorrow. Whoa, wait a minute. So this morning, I woke up. Now, my goal, even though little, was to hit 50 subscribers by Christmas. I don't know, like, if you're another YouTube vlogger, let me know if, like, my channel is just moving super slow. It won't hurt my feelings. I'll just keep plugging at it. But I think that 50 subscribers in 3 months was good. So I'm really happy about it. I'm excited, and I really do appreciate all of you guys that are sticking with me and the helping me get to that 50 subscribers. But when I woke up this morning, I had 51 subscribers. So, cha-ching, like, I'm excited. Alrighty, there's day 12 of the 50 days, or 25 days of Vlogmas series 2018. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.